Good news out of China yesterday really stoked up world financial markets. Chinese GDP increased by 8.9% in the final quarter of 2011, exceeding analyst expectations of 6.7%. Although this is the lowest increase in Chinese GDP since 2009, it went a long way to allay fears of a sudden slowdown in the Chinese economy. In Europe, Spain's bond sales went very smoothly, and an increase in German consumer sentiment also went a long way to calming fears of over the last few days. So what effect did this have on New Zealand markets? Well, looking at the NZX increased by 24 points, erasing yesterday's losses of 17 points. Looking at the ASX, a similar story. The ASX increasing by 68 points compared to yesterday's falls of about 48 points. On the currency markets, the Kiwi rose and broke through the 80-cent US barrier overnight, trading up to 80.31 cents US. It has since fallen back. The Kiwi is also up marginally against all its major trading partners. In an overnight auction, international milk prices increased for the first time in 3 auctions. The GDT trade-weighted index rose 1.5%, reversing a 0.7% loss in the last auction. Standout performers were both skim milk and AMF, both increasing by over 2.5%. The total average was around 3,700 US a tonne. While this is obviously great news for New Zealand farmers, currency still remains a particular issue. With the euro being so low, European exports are particularly cheap in Asia and are doing very well as a consequence. With the New Zealand dollar now beginning to track up against the US, there will also be some concerns in that space, with farm gate prices beginning to deteriorate as that currency continues to increase.